Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to blend photos in Canva. So first of all, open up the website and then choose any design that you actually want. In my case, I'm going to just choose normal photo, just like this one right here that I'm currently using. Okay, desktop wallpaper. So I'm going to just use it, and I deleted or removed everything within the design. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the upload right here, and I'm going to upload files. And as you can see right here, I have already uploaded 2 files, which is the photo right here for this gentleman. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just extend this photo to be like a full-sized photo, right? And what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to just go ahead into the elements at the top right here. You're going to see it at the tools. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just start searching for gradient, right? So basically, after I search for gradient, what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down, till you find right here the graphics section. Click on it, and basically scroll a little bit down till you find something similar to white right here, white graphic, right? So I'm going to just extend it to be more like, let me just make it like this one, and I'm gonna make it like this, right? And I'm gonna choose this this graphic, right? And I'm gonna just swipe it left. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add another device by clicking the upload right here, and I'm gonna add another one, which is let me just add another page by clicking add another page, and I'm gonna add this photo right here of the building. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the exact same thing for this design, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend this photo. Sorry, it might be not the best quality, but this is like a photo, for example. And I'm gonna go ahead to the elements again, right? And I'm gonna select ingredients, and I'm gonna choose this building. I'm gonna choose the same one, and I'm gonna extend it to be at least as big as the first one, and I'm gonna extend it to be right like this one, right at the opposite side, right? So I'm gonna just move it to the left, and it's gonna be just like this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save both photos, right? I'm gonna save this photo right here, right? I'm gonna save this photo by clicking share, and I'm gonna just try to save this photo right here. Let me choose this photo, right, by saving it, right? I'm gonna hit share right here at the top. I forgot, download, right? And I'm gonna select the one page right here, right? I'm gonna choose page 1, current page, right? I'm gonna download this one, right? And after I downloaded this one, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and download the second one, right? Sorry, I'm gonna download this one, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share again, scroll a little bit down, and click download, and select the page 1 or the page 2, which is that picture. I'm gonna download this one as well, and then I'm gonna just download it right here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, add another page right here so I can demonstrate how it's done. Click the upload right here, and click upload files again, right? I'm gonna choose this photo, right? Let's say, for example, this building right here that we actually selected, right? I'm gonna upload again the files, and I'm gonna upload the original smiley face of that gentleman, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and click this one right here, right? And what I'm gonna do, right, let me extend it like this, and then I'm gonna add the gentleman right here, right? And what I'm gonna do, basically, I'm gonna extend it like this, and I'm gonna click the transparency right here at the top, click on it, and just make it a little bit lower. Okay, and now you blend that image. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.